Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and we're back at the church parking lot, and we have the Arrows Mustang out here with us today. We got a light breeze coming from the church, but I think we're going to be able to handle it. I just set it up on my new transmitter, and I think I got it ready to go. I think everything's dialed in. Let's get this thing in there and see how it does. All right, guys, I got her in low rates. I think it's plenty. We'll go one click on the flaps to help us get in the air. I did not set up safe this time. For some reason, I don't think I did it on this airplane on the other radio either, but either way, it's ready to go. We got AS3X tuned up, got it turned all the way up. All right, let's do it. Ooh, she was turning right towards my truck. I am flying on a 3S 2200 today, guys. We get this wings leveled out, we'll turn flaps off and gear up. I did put low rates at 60% on ailerons and 70% on elevator, and I think it gives it a nice scale look and kind of smooth in my transition so it doesn't look too jerky. And of course it flew good before, so we knew it was going to fly good this time. That wasn't a great aileron roll there on my part, partially dealing with the wind, but flying about half throttle. There we go. There, I let it do its thing. That was without using the elevator. The elevator to try and correct in the invert. Just kind of let it roll over. It looked pretty good, looked real scale. You kind of give it that up. That way it levels out when it comes through. Trying not to let it get too far away, guys. Seen this shadow on those rocks. I was pretty low on that pass. A little bit lower than I was intending. And one thing I've not done yet is my favorite rollout. I love rolling into those turns. We'll take it up and roll it like this and then turn out. Big old bank turn that way. Caught the wind. Trying to keep it low enough it stays in frame for you guys. Notice yesterday's video, I had the camera angled up just a little bit, so I'll try to make sure I get it low enough. Woo! About touched the wingtip there. That was, I let the speed get a little too slow. This airplane probably can fly full speed the whole time if I wanted it to. And it's got that 4-blade prop. So I think 4 blades usually is considered more of a torque style prop, and then if you want speed you use a 2-blade prop, and then the 3 blades somewhere in between, right? So the sky is pretty today, man, with these little clouds here and there. Helps give you some perspective on the speed, but yet still nice and clear and letting the sun shine through. Take it up. Hopefully I got my head kicked back far enough for you guys. And take it way up into that loop. I let it ease down without the throttle there for a good long time. So let's slow it down just a little bit. Let's go, there's one click on the flaps, and let's circle around. I want to see what it looks like with full flaps. full landing flaps. Here we go, full landing flaps. And about half throttle. It's wanting to come down to land, so I would say that's pretty good. There we go, flaps off. It was kind of high, but that was a full speed pass. We'll do it a little bit lower here. Let's do a wing over way up there. Full stealth pass there. You see it slowing down without the prop spinning or just the wind moving it. It's actually doing pretty good. I wasn't sure about the gains on the AS3X. I don't see it shaking a whole lot, even when I went full speed. So full with the gain turned all the way up, it's doing pretty good. And I haven't done any trims on this, so that's it is climbing just a little bit, I guess. I'll wait until it's a little more calm out to make that adjustment. But a little bit, it could use just a little bit of down elevator. Well, my timer's coming, so we'll get the gear coming down. We'll take a look at them, make sure they're both down. Because every once in a while they won't both come down on these little planes. It looks pretty good. And because we got a little bit of wind, we'll only go one click on the flaps for the landing. Still half throttle here, bringing it. Oh, come on. All right, we're gonna land on this side of the truck. I'll take that. I'd rather take it on up there a little ways on the wrong side than hit me or the truck, so, or the posts. Been known to hit lampposts before. So the only thing I've had problems with on this airplane is that tail wheel. Every once in a while it gets stuck. If it gets bumped just a little bit, it'll, inside there must be like a gear or something, and it'll turn, and then it's not straight anymore. And if you twist on it a little bit, you'll hear it click and it'll be back in position. So it's good right now, and it's ready for the next flight. I went 13 seconds over 5 minutes. So guys, just so blessed by the Lord to have such a great day and a great hobby to enjoy and share with you guys. I appreciate all your guys' support, and especially you guys out there on Patreon and the ones that have been members on this channel here on YouTube. You guys are awesome, and hopefully got a new airplane coming soon, maybe a couple. And we do have I'm hoping they announce something new at the Horizon RC Fest, I think is next week. So hopefully we'll see some new stuff coming soon. I was watching closely on Thursday. That's usually when they announce, and I didn't see anything. So hopefully they have something new coming this next week, and we can get it on order. Guys, until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.